Dude, you're kidding me. I had to record this. What is going on? Yeah, you can hear I got Bruce the man in the background. Webull quit loading the chart, and I didn't think it was, I thought it was still halted going down. All I see is the bid ask, and I'm going over to E-Trade. And look at this, the bid ask is moving, and I would go to E-Trade to buy shares. E-Trade I can still buy shares on. Robinhood you can't buy shares on. I just happened to quick get an order for 10 of them, 10 shares at 196. Oh, man, I thought Webull was just, I thought the whole thing was still just halted, but I didn't realize it was Webull just Xing me out of it. This is insane. This is truly insane. I need to look at the chart, actually. Where's the chart? I don't even know where the chart is on this thing. Where's the chart? Oh my gosh. Dude, this thing freaking hit. What is that? What is that number? I don't even know what number that is. I never look at these charts. Is it halted going up now? Well, I'm gonna pick up more on E-Trade. I don't know how to trade on E-Trade. This is insane. Count orders, trading. It's halted again. Dang it. Okay, well I got 10 more shares. Oh my gosh. This is insane, you guys. This is insane. Look at the long term. It's just getting tanked today. I don't even really know. I mean, it's Rocket, Tesla, Corsair, IMMR, or Rocket calls. It's just everything is rotating back and forth. It started by rotating out of the SPY and FANG and all these crazy huge stocks, and into these shorted stocks. And then today, when they did this huge short ladder, I wish the chart would load. That's what it was. This was a big, huge short ladder. Let me see orders. Where's it? Okay, chart, trading, chart. It doesn't really look crazy on here at all, just because of this account. But basically, okay, there we go. So I'm sure you were watching this. It was halted. Here's a halt. Here's a halt. Consolidation, falling. It may. I don't even think it halted in there. Halted here, at a bounce. It's halting on its way down, and Webull basically quit showing me the charts right here. It's halted going. I can't believe it hit this. What is this price even? Show me. This is like $112. Oh my gosh. I already have so much in it. I don't have so much in it, but I do at the same time. Because on the Webull's pulling the same crap Robinhood's trying to pull. Look at this. Look at our account. This thing swung like 8 grand today. We were up 11,000 something before, like in pre-market. I sold out. I sold out of the other ones for losses. I sold out of AMC. Sold out of, I don't even know what we were in. All those other shorted ones, penny stocks that shot up, that we were up, you know, hundreds of % on. I missed the timing on them. They might come back up. I don't know, but I was like, I gotta just focus on GME. GME I know is the big one that's got the, dude, Webull's not even working now. This is crazy. This is insane. What? This is messed up. This should not be allowed. Where brokerage doesn't let you buy shares. I mean, I know it's like kind of up to them, but this needs to be regulated, because this is total manipulation. If Webull somehow funded or somehow connected with GameStop, that's complete market manipulation. I know Robinhood is. Robinhood totally is. You can't buy GameStop in Robinhood. It doesn't even show it. Look. GameStop. Oh, we were unable to find it. Okay, so what I had to do is I had to add it to my thing. I'd add it to my watch list. I had to first of all go into news and see what was the big earners from last night. Add it to my watch list. Oh, now I can go to it. Great. The stock is not supported in Robinhood. This is messed up. It's Melvin Capital. I think that, I haven't looked into it. I haven't had time, but I'm sure this is funded somehow, and somehow the money is tied back to the hedge funds that are tied in with GameStop. That is messed up. That should not be legal. I think it's probably fine that they have the right to keep people from buying a stock, but not if they're involved. Not if they're involved. That shouldn't be. So then in that sense, you never know if they're involved or not. So you really can't keep people from buying stocks. That's, oh my goodness, this is insane. Well, thanks to the last brokerage I have, E-Trade, we're able to do it. I guess I opened up a TD Ameritrade just by chance the other day. I don't have any money in it though. But look at this, what they've done. Look at this. I was like, I gotta record this. This is historical. What's going on here? And I was like, I don't know. I was hoping that WEBULL chart would come up and you'd see these halts going down, and then I'm just waiting for the most epic rebound. Look at this thing. It was almost $500 pre-market and it hit 112. I bought into this. I don't even know what, did I buy 10 more shares? Dude, that's insane. That'll be a huge position if this goes back to 500 or up to 1,000, where I thought it was going to go to 1,000 by Friday. That was what I was thinking. $1,000 by Friday. This is going to be the most epic rally. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me go back. Chart. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. People are getting back in. All right, I'll show you guys who I'm watching over here. He's a legend. He literally just started streaming just for this. He like started a channel, a stock trading channel, or he had a stock trading channel and he just like dedicated to GameStop just because of how crazy this is. Look at this guy. This guy's name is Bruce. He's a legend. He's an old Canadian bloke that used to have a hedge fund and had an IPO at one point, and his channel grew from 1,200 people to like 12,000 in a couple days. He's awesome. I'm listening to him. He actually has quick news. And then, of course, I'm listening to the Colt Trading Fraternity. I'll shout out these guys. You can hear him. I had him muted, but he's over here. Yeah. He's expecting those other... See, there you can hear him. I'll mute him. He's kind of all over the place. He's not just focused on this right now. So he's thinking BlackBerry and the other ones were going to cover. I don't know. I mean, this was an attack on the shorts for sure. I mean, if so, yeah, maybe. I'm still holding shares of. No, I got out of AMC. Yeah, AMC just took such a big dip today. I'm like, it looked like it hit a top, and I thought it maybe just had gone up on kind of sympathy with GameStop, but wasn't necessarily that real. But I don't know. CBB. It's probably rallying a little bit. Dude, games, are you serious, man? Come on, WEBULL. I was trying to push everyone over to WEBULL. There, now it's at least moving the price. Dude, I cannot believe they're halt. You can't. This is messed up. This is super messed up. They halt it going down. That's manipulation. There's nothing else except for that. That's manipulation. They halt it going down. They don't load the chart, and then all you can do is go this, close order. That's all I can do. I can't buy it. And now it's finally refreshing this. The last thing I saw was it was at like 200 halted going down, and then just goes black. Dude, this is not right. This is not right. I mean, how this was done. This is an attack on us retail traders. Honestly, this is insane. Wow. Let's see. Look at these. Where are these 10 shares? Are these my shares? 10 shares up $500, $600. Dude, these shares are gonna go nuts today. Oh my gosh. This account is swinging like crazy today. It's the spreads. So I'll show you what else we did today on GameStop. We had the credit spreads that I opened up from yesterday, which are these. Max gain of 3,200. Basically, if GameStop closes above 310 on Friday, we get that. Max loss of 1,700. That's if it's below 300. Basically 303 on Friday. We have that one, and then I opened up a bunch of debit spreads today. I tried to get more. Oh, did I get more? No, that's the market. Okay. So I have all these debit spreads too. These are nice also. So this is a bigger upside. $8,500 upside. $405 risk. So basically GameStop has to close above 570 on Friday. I'm like, dude, this thing's gonna hit 1,000 on Friday. Well, I wanted to get more of these, but I mean, I've got pretty good exposure now. Like I've got pretty good exposure. This be if this is max profit, this other one's max profit will be over 10 grand on this by the end of this week, just in these two trades, and then not including the shares. We have 10 shares this thing in here now, so we got 10 shares in there. Got 11 in this one. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. That is so crazy. Because this one on here, we bought these at like 290. 290 was my average cost on these. I think wasn't that what that said? Doesn't even say. Average price 298. My average price, I just picked these up on here. 207. Dang it. I was trying to get it lower, man. That thing, I didn't even think it was unhalted. I just thought stupid Webull was loading. Look, see, BB doesn't care. AMC, I think these were kind of just hype. I mean, AMC might be. I don't know. We'll see. These might rally up tomorrow. That naked play, look. Oh, you can't trade AMC on it either. Dude, this is so rigged. We made our naked play we made yesterday, market close. We bought $1,000 worth, which was like 900 shares, 980 shares. It went up like 200%. So we were up like $2,000 on that. I could have sold, I didn't, but I think I still made like 600 on those shares. I'm so twitchy and fired up right now. This is insane. All right, I'm gonna let you guys go. I was just kind of wanted to show this. Let me go back to this chart. Actually, what am I doing? Oh my gosh, what, it dumped again? It's halted going down? You know what's happening? This is probably people that were trying to get out when it was coming down here, and then everything just started glitching and stopped working. And so now it's finally like resuming trading, going up, and it's just trying to dump, or the shorts are just trying to attack it more. Wow. 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 Oh my goodness. I mean, I don't know how this is going to end, honestly. Look at these. Look at these. Is this Webull doing this? I mean, we're only down 900 on the shares right now in this account, so something's right, because we were down, I think, 1,500 before. I don't know I don't know the cost. I don't know anything on Webull. Robinhood, you can't. I don't even. Is this halted going down? Why is it? So this. I feel like this is still scared traders or something that are. They're seeing it come up and they're thinking this is it, and so they're just halting going down. I don't know. I mean, we'll see what happens in a couple days. I might be like, oh, yep, this was it. This was the top, and this was the end. But I'm thinking no. It's still over 100% shorted. Might take some time for people to build up courage to get back into it, but I'm gonna hold at this point. I'm gonna hold on these accounts. We'll see what happens. We've got 10 shares in this one, average cost of 207. 11 shares this one, average cost of like 290. And then these debit and credit spreads. I mean, we'll see. It won't be a huge loss for us. It'll be small. Relatively, I mean, I've just put a small amount into it, but I had just too much fun, too much upside to ignore it. So that's kind of where I was at. Data not available? No way. Did E-Trade just do that? Are you kidding me? Dude, when they... Oh my gosh. Wait, maybe because it's halted? No, but it was showing it halted. See, I can't buy it, so it's halted. I'm sure I could sell it. Dude, I hope E-Trade's not doing this too. Somehow they're all kind of tied in. I'm sure I could close it. Well, it's halted right now. Are you see? They're wrecking it. I mean, I've got the TD Ameritrade. Oh wait. There's a chart. Did I buy it? Here, Bruce, he's pumping it. It's hilarious. He doesn't actually have any position in GameStop. He just he knows a lot about the stock market. I mean, he's been in it since like the 80s, and he's talking how it's just he's like, yeah, hold it. He's like, you're screwing the shorts. I mean, he's giving a lot of people confidence to have diamond hands for this. And this ladder, this short squeeze ladder, whatever this is crazy. So what I saw this today was huge. I mean, this was a huge run from, what is this, 400? They short squeezed it all the way down to 112. Short squeeze ladder or whatever. This happened yesterday too. This chart is so weird. Whoa. Happened yesterday also. Here's 127. You see it. It happened like a couple times. Here's a little one where it halted going down. think it halted here. It also I think halted here. It happened a couple times yesterday. Today's I think is just much larger. At least that's what I'm hoping. Hoping this isn't some kind of top. I don't know. We'll see what happens. It was fun to be a part of it, and it was a good experience either way. If I lose on it, it was a good experience, learning lesson. But yeah, I'm still hopeful. I'm hopeful. I'm holding. I've got a pretty good amount of exposure now. 21 shares, high price, which will hold. Really, the only short-term thing that we would lose on. Of course, if we sold the shares right away, we would lose if they're down. But I mean, the most we could lose on this. That's 400. This one's 1700. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So $2,000. Sometimes you pay to play, pay to learn. We'll see. We'll see. I'm holding. I'm holding. I can't believe the manipulation that's going on here though. I mean that's a part of the reason why I want to just be in it. Just to be a part of history and to, I don't know, fight for us retail traders. I mean, this is nuts. Anyways, guys, we'll probably have a recap at the end of the day. We'll see what happens. Good luck to you. Sub up, like up, comment down. Make money, happy money. So stick around. This is the happy money over here. It goes up and down real slow. It's been pretty crazy lately, but this money that we're playing around with in here, this isn't necessarily happy money. It is if it wins, but if it doesn't, it's not happy money. But it's a small amount. So the more money you make happy money, the more it'll stick around. So that's kind of my little phrase. So if you use a small amount to make more risky plays, go for it. Peace out.